If you have ever dual booted Windows and Linux, you probably have seen this annoying problem. Every time you switch between operating systems, your system clock jumps a few hours ahead or behind. This happens because Windows and Linux don't agree on how to handle your computer's hardware clock. The hardware clock is a small clock built into your motherboard. Both Windows and Linux use it to keep track of time. But here's the catch. Windows typically uses local time. This means it adjusts the hardware clock based on your current time zone. Linux, however, frequently defaults to Coordinated Universal Time or UTC. And because of this mismatch, your system clock gets messed up when switching between the two. Fortunately, there is an easy fix. We can align Windows with Linux by setting it to use UTC for its hardware clock. This is the recommended approach for dual boot setups. And here's how you can do it. First, open command prompt as an admin. For that, just search for CMD in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator. Now, copy and paste this command into the window and press enter. This adds a setting to your Windows registry telling it to treat the hardware clock as UTC. Finally, restart your computer. The changes won't take effect until you reboot. Now, if for some reason this fix doesn't work out for you, don't worry. Reverting to the default local time behavior is just as easy. Just follow the same steps as before, but use this command instead. Then restart your computer again. And that's it. By setting Windows to use UTC, you will eliminate those annoying time discrepancies. Give it a try. Your dual boot setup will feel much smoother. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.